In today's video, I'll show you the best equalizer setting for a Logitech headset. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the G Hub or the main application for our Logitech devices, and from here head over to your headphones. Click on acoustics, and basically you want to turn your system volume just above 50 or something like above 30. The first thing that you want to enable is to check this specific box, which is enabling the equalizer. From there, we have presets to simply choose from right here. Now you can choose what works best for you. So we have different presets depending on your mood. We have the bass setting for bass, cinematic, communications, and more. You can simply just choose your equalizer setting, and this is going to be the best preset that you can do or you can find on your Logitech G Hub setting. We have something like a multiplayer online right here. We have a first person shooter, we have first person, we have communication once again, cinematic, bass boost, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.